Let's take a look at Nike, because that stock is doing something pretty unique. On Wednesday, Nike shares entered into what some call a death cross. That's when an asset's longer-term moving average crosses over the shorter-term moving average. Does it signal more pain ahead for Nike? Matt Maley, Miller Tabak, Larry McDonald, Bear Traps report, or your Trading Nation team today. Larry, not everybody subscribes to the death cross, and I'm going to say it like that every time. Theory of technicals, do you or don't you? But either way, what do you see as the future for Nike stock in the near term?
Well, it's amazing the dislocation in the space. I think in terms of risk reward and what's been priced in, Under Armour has gone through just a horrific dislocation, and a lot of bad news has been priced in, whereas Nike is just kind of coming into some of the pain. So on a risk reward basis, we're looking at Under Armour here over the next 12 to 18 months as a better risk reward candidate.
Yeah, and Matt Maley, if we look at Nike, the death cross, again, like one of these things that's, it's not followed by everybody. What do you think? Are you a believer in it? Because it generally, like the name suggests, signals bad things.
Yeah, it's something that, it makes a lot of headlines and stuff, and I do follow them when it takes place, but I usually don't give it a whole lot of weight. I mean, you look at what happened, the last death cross they had was on June 29th, and the stock rallied 10% the next day after they announced good earnings and a deal with Amazon. However, they have had some in the past where they've seen a death cross and the stock's rolled over. I'm more concerned about the getting down to some key support levels in other areas. Number one, it's the May-June low, kind of double bottom low there that we're testing today, and the 200-week moving average. Now, it hasn't been below the 200-week moving average since the credit crisis back in 2009. And I will say this, the stock, or any stock really, and when they get down to the 200-week moving average, that usually provides some real good support. So we could see, in fact, should see a bounce off of that level, off of this level right now. If we don't get it and it falls even further, you're going to get a lot of long-term holders that just throw in the towel, and it could go lower. So we're kind of at a key technical level right now. I'm more concerned about the 200-week moving average than I am about the death cross.
Okay, well, we'll be watching Nike. We'll be watching the death cross. Larry McDonald, Matt Maley, thank you both very much. Folks, thank you as always for tuning in to Trading Nation. I'm Brian Sullivan. See you next time.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.